Subscribe now to CoinZF and join a community where hidden coin treasures are revealed before the world discovers them. Imagine holding a simple 2005D Lincoln penny in your hand and thinking it's just 1 cent, something ordinary, something easy to ignore, something that might even get lost to your drawer or thrown into a jar without a second thought. But what if I told you that this small copper coin could carry a story, a mystery, and a hidden value that most people never even notice today? We are diving deep into the 2005D Lincoln penny, a coin that millions of people have seen, but very few have truly examined closely. And this is where the difference between an average person and a smart collector begins. Because collectors don't just look, they observe, they compare, they search for the smallest details that others miss. The 2005D Lincoln penny was minted in Denver, marked by the small d under the date. And at first glance, it looks exactly like any other penny from the early 2000s, featuring Abraham Lincoln on the front and the Lincoln Memorial on the back. But within these ordinary features lies the possibility of extraordinary value, depending on condition, errors, and rarity. Now, think about this for a moment. How many times have you seen a penny and just ignored it? How many coins have passed through your hands without you checking them? And how many opportunities might have slipped away simply because you didn't know what to look for? This coin was produced in large numbers, yes, but not all coins are equal. And this is the secret that experienced collectors understand very well, because even in large mintages, there are always rare variations, minting mistakes, and condition-based differences that can turn a 1 cent coin into something worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. One of the most important factors is condition. And when we say condition, we're talking about how clean, sharp, and preserved the coin is, whether it has scratches, wear, fading, or if it still shines like it just came out of the mint. Because coins in uncirculated or near perfect condition are always more valuable than those that have been used for years now. Imagine a 2005D Lincoln penny that has never been circulated, with sharp edges, clear lettering, and a bright original surface. This alone can increase its value significantly compared to a worn-out version. But this is only the beginning. The real excitement begins when we talk about mint errors, because errors are what collectors dream about. These are the mistakes made during the production process that create unique coins. And unique always means rare, and rare often means valuable. For the 2005D Lincoln penny, collectors often search for errors like double die features, offset or strikes, or unusual marks that were not meant to be there. And these errors can sometimes be so small that you need a magnifying glass to spot them. But once identified, they can completely change the value of the coin. Think about the power of knowledge here. Two people can hold the exact same coin. One sees 1 cent, the other sees opportunity, and that difference comes down to awareness and attention to detail. Another important detail is the metal composition and color, because over time, pennies can tone, change color, or develop unique patterns that some collectors find highly desirable, especially if the coin has been preserved in a way that enhances its appearance. Now, let's talk about something that many people overlook, and that is the emotional and historical value of coins, because every coin carries a piece of history, a moment in time when it was created, and for some collectors, this connection adds even more value beyond just the price. The 2005D Lincoln penny represents a modern era of coin production, yet it still holds the classic design that has been recognized for generations. And this blend of modern and traditional makes it an interesting piece for both new and experienced collectors. If you are serious about finding valuable coins, you need to develop a habit of checking every coin you receive, whether it's from shop, a market, or even your own savings, because you never know when you might come across something rare. Start by looking at the date, then the mint mark, then the overall condition, and finally any unusual features that stand out. And remember, even the smallest detail can make the biggest difference many collectors have built impressive collections and even made significant money simply by paying attention to what others ignore. And this is something you can start doing today without any special investment. You don't need expensive tools to begin, just a careful eye, patience, and the willingness to learn, because the world of coin collecting rewards those who are curious and consistent. Now, picture this. You go through your coins tonight, and suddenly you find a 2005D Lincoln penny that looks different, cleaner, sharper, maybe even with a slight error. And at that moment, everything changes, because what was once just spare change becomes something exciting, something valuable, something worth investigating further. This is why coin collecting is not just a hobby. It's a journey, a treasure hunt where every coin has the potential to surprise you. And the more you learn, the more opportunities you create for yourself. So don't underestimate the coins in your pocket. Don't ignore the small details. And don't assume that something is worthless just because it looks ordinary, because sometimes the most valuable things are hidden in plain sight. Keep searching, keep learning, and keep checking every coin you come across, because the next discovery could be yours. This 2005D Lincoln penny could secretly reach $240.91, turning simple change into life-changing discovery.